Let's make my sweet corn fritters, and these bad boys are also gluten-free. So we start off with some flour. Now I'm just putting a little bit of baking powder in my flour, which will help them rise a little more. And then obviously the main ingredient, sweet corn, but a little bit of red capsicum. Take the white bit out of the capsicum because that bit tastes like crap. So you don't want that in. Mix everything together, guys. All the ingredients are in the description. Nice and easy. Couple of eggs. That basically keeps it all together. And then basically get a skillet onto a medium-high heat. Now I'm using one of these round little templates, but you really don't need to. I'm just trying to be a snob. That's just me, ain't it? And it's another thing that I bought. My wife told me I didn't actually need, and she was probably right. So you can just use the back of a spoon. And then I'm plating it up like this with my black bean salsa. That recipe is on my profiles as well. And then a poached egg, which gives it some sauce, basically. Bloody yam.